How to log in to Discord account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to Discord account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, here you'll see the interface like this. In this page, what you have to do is just tap on the login option. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here what you have to do is just enter your registered email or phone number, and after that you can simply type your password carefully. And here, if you have a two-factor authentication enabled, Discord will ask for authentication code from your authenticator app. So simply enter the code to proceed, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on login to access your Discord account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.